A purl front and back is a simple increase that we usually do either on the reverse stockinette side of something or in a textured pattern where a knit front and back won't look as good as a purl front and back. So to do the purl front and back, you're going to begin your purl as you normally would. So your yarn is to the front. You're going to go through the needle, the same as a purl stitch, and then wrap it around however you wrap it around. And then rather than taking it off this needle tip, you're going to come around to the back and come in through the back of the loop. Bring the yarn around and pull through. So we're going through the front like a normal stitch, and then we're coming around through the back loop. And that's how we get 2 stitches where there used to be 1. Let me show you that with an English style. All right, the yarn is to the front. We go through as if to purl. Yarn goes up and over. We draw that loop through. Now we need to go through and grab the back loop. We come up and over, and then we push the needle tip through to the back and come off. So each time we've done a purl front and back, you can see there's sort of a larger loop, and then there's a little loop kind of sitting to the left, just like a little, like a half sister or a half brother here, a little sibling. And that's how, when you twist it around, it has to make room for itself. And so it will always look a little staggered like that. But we have double stitches here where we used to have just 1. It's a little trickier than the knit front and back, which is why we use the knit front and back more often. But it's not that hard, and if you've done a knit front and back, you've got this. Happy knitting!